Sponsored display is one of the most underutilized tools when it comes to advertising success on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what sponsored display is and how to create your first campaign. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so first we're going to show you what sponsored display is, and you can see sponsored display. And there's different ways that sponsored display works, but it is for customers who sell on Amazon and have a store. So what we can see is there's one, this one's actually on Amazon, so it's above a product page. So I'm going to give you an example, right? So if let's say we're looking at the Woobles, we're looking at crochet kits, and before we click add to cart, we go to the top. And there it is. This is a sponsored display right up here. It says shop the Woobles. You can click on it. It shows their products. It's just a little pop-up, right? Nothing huge, but it makes a difference because it's so underutilized on Amazon. So that's one of them. Also, it's showing it on Twitch, so you can promote these off of Amazon as well and get people seeing your products off of Amazon. Amazon's homepage, and maybe a third party, right? So if you ever have been shopping and you're just searching on Google Chrome, Amazon remembers what you've been clicking on or tries to promote products to you, and then they have partnerships with other companies, and this is where you'll see shop on Amazon. So again, sponsored display ad example on a third party website. So not only can you push these to Amazon, but you can also be pushing these to a third party website to generate extra sales back to Amazon. On top of that, you can also use video campaigns, so you can see a video example. So that's new on Amazon, is adding videos. But now let's dive into creating our own campaign. So the first campaign strategy we're going to be utilizing is the views remarketing campaign. This is to show image ads to shoppers who viewed your listing. So if someone's viewed your listing and leaves Amazon or even stays on Amazon, we can retarget them and then show them the ad. You can show them the product again, because maybe if they clicked on it, maybe they want to buy it or they're not ready yet. And if you keep them in your mind, then it's going to help increase those sales. So let's go and let's actually do this together. Here, let me move this to the side. And we're going to open this up, and then we see sponsored display right here. And it has all this information on how it works. But let's open up sponsored display and create our first ad. And remember, this is a views remarketing ad, so I'm going to put this views. So I'm going to put sponsored display just in case. Views remarketing. And you're just going to put the ACen in here, whatever ACen you're doing. Okay. Views remarketing image. Right. We want to remember what we're doing. Put it in a portfolio if you want. The daily budget. It's saying, to start with a daily budget of $100. That is a bit crazy in my opinion. Unless you have a really big budget, but you can start with something small like $10 or $20 a day. We're going to start with $20 a day on this just to see how it does and then monitor it every single day. You can have an ad group name if you want. And then now we want to see, is it reach, page visits, or conversions? Now, if we go back to the strategy, it says bid optimization is optimized for conversions. So what we want is conversions, aka we want sales. And then we have cost control. This is beta. I really dislike beta items on Amazon, so I'm just not going to use this. And then now you can do image or video. And right now we're going to be doing image, and then advertise products to drive to products detail page, or if you have an Amazon store, you can drive it to an Amazon store. So we're just going to do image. We're going to drive it to the product detail page. We're just going to click a product and then go from there, I believe. We're just going to click 3. Right? And then we're going to scroll down, and then this is where we get the views remarketing. This is the important part that you have to get right. If you get this one wrong, then the ad might not do well. So we want to not promote similar to advertised products. We want to do views remarketing. And if we go back to this one, it says start with the lowest look back period first, then split test. Okay, so the lowest look back is going to be 7 days. So if they viewed our product within the last 7 days, that's when we're going to be targeting them, right? So, but let's not do this one. Sorry, it has to be advertised products. We only want them to look at our product, not competitors. So I'm going to click X on the rest of these. So it has to be views remarketing, advertised products, look back the last 7 days. So if they've looked at your product in the last 7 days, they're going to get retargeted. Okay? And then now you just do some images to see what looks best for you. And these are image suggestions. You can put your logo in there, a headline. And again, you could see what that one competitor was doing, the Woobles, and look at theirs, right? Type in the Woobles, click, look at listings, and look at what competitors are doing to make yours look the best, right? So again, in the middle of the Amazon detail page, mobile leaderboard, Amazon to Stripe, right? It already looks pretty decent because it's using our first image. So I don't think we have to do anything crazy. The Woobles didn't do anything crazy. And then we can launch the campaign and test it. And that's it for today's video. What's your biggest challenge with Amazon ads? Share it below and let's discuss some solutions. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon Advertising Management. We charge a low fee to manually optimize, create, and manage your ads. Our goal is to reduce your ACoS, increase your ROAS, and of course, get you ranking higher so you can generate more sales. If you're interested in having one of our Amazon experts manage your ads, feel free to contact us in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.